Guys on the line, stay down. If your head comes up, it comes up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to new. I am Marie. In today's video, we're in Times Square and they're having a show and we're enjoying it all. This is my very first New York City video. Oh my goodness. Wow, New York City. All right. My goodness, I'm overwhelmed. So much to see. Let's go that way first. Oh wait, no. Maybe we should go that way. Wait a minute. No, I think we should go that way. Let's go that way. Okay.
Where is Forever 21 section? Up that way.
Forever 21 is that way. But let's go. Okay, come. Let's go.
This way. Let's go up there.
Come. Oh my goodness. It's like now 10:20 in the night and this city is buzzing. 10:20 at night.
It's only a once-in-a-lifetime show.
You're right. But we old, we ain't young no more.
So, first time in Times Square?
Yes.
How do you feel?
Great.
Great? You like it?
Yes.
Okay, better than the movies? I thought so. Okay. Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
You are? What do you like so far?
So, and I wanted something, but my mom wouldn't get it.
Oh, what about you?
I'm having a great time.
You are? You sure? Okay, nice.
No, let me ask you. What all these people doing carnival this time on that?
New York City, guys on the line, stay down. If your head comes up, it comes up. It's not a joke. Now, New York City, for the last time, when you make it over, guys, I need your attention. When you make it over, everybody makes some noise, going crazy. If he doesn't make it over, just call 911, right?
All
Let's
right.
do it. Yo, bro, you're all set.
Open up, vamos esto. Yeah. Everybody clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap. Energy. Rush it. Boom. Stand up.
Wait, there you go now. Zoe, huh? What's up? This is the New York Marriott Marquis. My very first job out of college was here. Yes, it was this crazy. It was like a zoo getting out of work, especially because the Carson Daily Live used to tape right there, and I used to work here. I used to hate getting out of work when people like anybody famous was in the next door building. You could not get through Times Square. It was crazy.
Stop the show! Hey, Ring! Hey, Ring! I just smacked you! I just got another $50! From Yonkers! From Yonkers! Hey, Ring! Hey, Ring! What does DMX say?
From Yonkers. No, they're from Yonkers.
Where my dogs at?
Dogs at?
Where my dogs at? Where my dogs at? Make some noise for Yonkers! Now I need you guys, arms out. Bend your knees. Elbows on your knees. Hold your arms. Touch it. Don't be scared to die. Just like that. Perfect. Now, we need some energy. Can we get some energy? Everybody, clap those hands.